Oh, is that the scientific way?
That's the scientific
Is that what the
method.
instructions say? Use your teeth?
Use your teeth.
What you doing?
Hi.
What are you doing? Why is the window all clean? Because that's
Shiny.
never a good thing when you clean the window.
Alright.
Alright, what? What?
So,
What?
this beautiful window,
In this beautiful window.
it's our kitchen window.
Yes, we know that.
And for the last 20 years, it's only had this cute little valance
Whatever that is. Curtain.
curtain,
Little tertiary curtain.
tertiary curtain. And we never really needed anything because our neighbors don't have any windows on this side.
Yeah, they're not as annoying that way.
Not as annoying. And this doesn't really face the sun, so it doesn't get terribly hot. Until it got to be 114 degrees here. And then the sun beat down on their side and reflected back into our side.
Mm. So you're putting what up?
So I'm putting some thermal blinds up.
Really?
Some
Thermal blinds.
thermal roller blinds.
Like the Mars rover kind of thermal curtain thing. I don't know. I just came to me.
Oh, okay.
I'm sure the Mars rover has thermal something.
Thermal something?
So
Not quite like that.
you're hanging it like up there, or are you hanging it on the?
I'm hanging it inside
Oh, inside.
here.
Oh.
Just wait.
No, yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
Here's
what?
the
It's a
actual-
big tube of what?
Here's the actual
Wow, that's pretty beefy.
roller side.
Is that like?
And I had to split
Hold
it
on.
because they didn't make it.
Wow, look at that. It's metal. Wow, that's beefy.
They didn't make it big enough for our window, so I had to split it into.
Okay,
But
so it's gonna hang like in there.
in there
Let me get a good. There you go. Oh, look at that.
and then come down.
And then it comes down. What happens? Because inevitably these things always break, so that it never rolls again. What are you gonna do then?
Well, it's on this cool chain.
Oh, it's on a chain. I didn't know that. So you can't just pull them down and they just come down and like.
Yeah, it's not a spring loaded.
Oh, so it's a chain loaded.
It's a roller.
Okay, I better start 3D printing parts for when these break. I'm just saying. So you're drilling? You're drilling?
So I'm drilling this one.
Do you know what you're doing though? You're moving all over the place here. What? Do you know what you're doing?
I do. I know
You
how
sure?
to drill holes.
Measure 3 times. Drill once. Got it?
Got it.
All right, if you say so.
Thank
I'm going to step away. Very carefully. Because when she's got power tools, just stay the heck away. We learned that last week with the chainsaw.
Chainsaw.
Lives were lost. Tree lives. Wait. You see you drilled in your... Oh, good grief.
Yes.
That's just going to break. I can see that.
It's not.
Oh, is that the scientific way?
That's the scientific
Is that what the
method.
instructions say? Use your teeth?
Use your teeth.
Okay. Uh-huh.
There we go.
Sure.
Alright.
Alright, yeah. So, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I feel it. I feel it. Oh.
There we go.
Wait. Ow! Devil ladder. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Here, let me get it in right in front.
In front of my
Right
face.
here. That's like, ooh.
Okay.
All right.
Now.
Yeah. Look at that action. Yeah, that chain's entirely too long, by the way. Can you change the size of the chain?
Doesn't say that I can.
Huh.
I think they were expecting it to be for a much
Taller window?
smaller window.
I feel like it. What do you do? Oh.
Warning.
Warning.
Children can die.
Oh, well, I'll have to stay away from it.
Yes, please.
Okay. Oh, that thing rotates?
It's not supposed to.
Uh-huh. I think it is.
Oh.
Oh, no, wrong way.
Wrong
Wrong way. Red rum. Red rum.
But I don't see a connection point in there for this thing. Like,
You'd have to get one of the connectors.
no,
So-
because it doesn't wouldn't fit.
Oh, yeah, you're screwed. Yeah, you're just going to have like a little bucket or something. Okay. Well, okay.
Well, good thing I'm putting them in the corners.
Okay. Well, that's fun.
One.
One?
One.
One. Okay. Is that the right way? It's on the inside like that?
I followed the little window side, room side directions.
Okay. Seems odd. It seems like it should be the other way, but okay. All right. Okay. Congratulations. We have half a window.
Window shade.
Okay.
Better than zero.
Before. After. Before. After.
20 minutes later.
Ready?
I don't know. Are you?
Sure.
You got it all done?
Got it?
See, that says room side. Okay. Room. Okay. You might be right.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Oh, all I got is a green background here. Come on now. All right. Uh-huh. Yeah, look at that. That one's a much better fit than the other one. Is this one gonna fit? Is it gonna work?
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna work.
I'm super tight.
Super, super tight. Don't break it. Don't break it. Don't break it.
Maybe I made it too tight.
Too tight. No, you can't adjust it after you do it. You're gonna do. You're wait. You can't remove. Oh, okay. Those holes are not. All right. I don't know. I'm not. Okay. I'm not saying anything anymore
Yeah.
because this is a bad mojo. Ah! You know what makes you drill well? Your funky socks.
I love my compression socks.
Compression socks.
Get off my compression socks.
Yeah, your compression. Your ankles are compressed. You know what's better? Oh yeah. Okay. See, we started talking about your compression socks, and you stopped being able to drill. Okay, I'm walking away now.
You should walk away.
Oh my God!
2,000 years later.
Oh, good job. Good job. Good job.
Where's my little...
What? I don't have it. What do you need?
It's right here behind my compression sock.
Oh, what's
Please
behind
get me my little screwdriver.
your little screwdriver? Huh? U.S. Robotics. A goodie. An oldie but goodie.
Holy bit of goodie.
It's only 30 years old. Oh, snap. Literally, snap. See? Room side. Someone was wrong.
Really? Who was... Yes, you're correct. Someone was wrong.
All right.
You're absolutely correct.
I'm astrologically correct.
Somebody was correct.
Unfurl the flags. Yep. They don't roll very well, do they? Or is that just your inability to use rolly things?
It might be my inability.
Oh,
I
is it
don't know. Why don't
now?
you try it for
Hmm.
yourself.
A little extra muscle. Not bad though. Problem is you can't do it in one pull.
Oh, sorry.
You
Can you,
should be strong.
can you help me put the valance back on?
Yes, I get it.
Oh, thank you. You're
That's
so kind.
Whatever. All right.
We'll show them what it looks like with the valance and that.
I don't. It's not. Okay.
So you have both of them.
No, that was impressive. Look at that. You would never think that these weren't always here. That's pretty cool.
It's pretty dark in here.
They just saw it down.
Not both of them at the
Yeah.
same time.
Yeah, literally, they did.
No.
So, all right. So, what about the gap in the middle? What are you gonna do about that?
Well, I'm sorry. That's the best I could do. It's better than the hot sun.
Yeah, that's not bad. It's not bad. Not bad.
All right, I'll put the valance back on. And then
All right. Why
won't
don't
even be
you're
able to
going the
see-
wrong way.
You won't even.
I need practice, like 30 times of practice.
Yes.
Why don't you just do this all day? Just do this
You
for the next
won't be
hour.
able
Up,
to-
down, up,
You
down.
won't be able to see them, hopefully.
The wrong way! Oh my god! You just did that on the other side.